Okay guys, today we're talking about product number 3, basic wax. We're gonna go over the use cases, the surfaces it can be used on, and then we're gonna jump into a little demonstration. So first off, when we talk about use cases, basic wax is used after the wash process and to add protection to the vehicle. Now this is like a medium grade protection, but it's really simple to use and really fast, so it's perfect to include in your detailing packages. For the application or the surfaces you can use it on, rather, you can use it on glass, paint, trim, like metal trim. You can use it on mirrors. You can use it on plastic trim. You can use it on matte paint. You can use it on satin paint. You can put it on PPF. You can put it on headlights. This stuff is really not going to damage anything on the exterior. You just want to make sure you get it wiped off or it can get streaky. Now, without further ado, let's jump into the demonstration. So when we're using our basic wax, we want to make sure to shake it up first, get it activated, and then we're going to spray it on panel by panel, because if you spray too much and it dries before you wipe it, it can get kind of streaky. Take our drying towel, and this can be sprayed on while it's wet. Dry it down. Move on to the other side. Spray that. Dry it down and continue this process around the whole car. And this can be applied to pretty much every finish on the exterior of a vehicle, including matte finish vehicles. It will not make it shiny. You can even spray it directly onto the glass. Wipe it there. It's okay if it gets on your plastics. It's not going to make any little white spots like your regular waxes would. It can go on your metal trim here. No problem. You can also apply this onto a dry surface of an exterior vehicle. Same process, panel by panel, using a microfiber or a drying towel to wipe it down.